Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig, George Pig, and Mommy Pig. Guess what? They're out playing in the rain. Let's start drawing. First, let's draw Mommy Pig. We begin with her big round eyes, then her smiling mouth. Next, draw her cute piggy nose, her face, and don't forget her two little ears on top. Now we draw Mommy Pig's body. Does she look a little surprised? Maybe she just saw a big puddle. What is she holding in her hand? Can you guess? Yes, it's an umbrella, perfect for a rainy day. Now let's draw George Pig. We start with his nose, then draw his round face and his rainy day hat. Let's draw George's body. It looks like he's wearing a bright yellow raincoat. Oh, and don't forget to draw his boots. He loves jumping in muddy puddles. Now it's time to draw Peppa Pig. First, draw her nose and eyes. Then draw her face, her hat, and her little body. She's also wearing a raincoat and a cute pair of boots, just like her little brother. They're ready for a rainy day adventure. Let's add some raindrops all around. Drip, drop, drip. It's raining quite a lot, but Peppa and George are well prepared with their raincoats and hats. Dear little friends, when you check the weather forecast and see rain, remember to bring your umbrella or raincoat to stay warm and dry, just like Peppa and George. Now let's use a big black pen to trace over the lines and make our drawing stand out. Doesn't it look so much neater? And now it's coloring time. Let's color together. Let's start by coloring the umbrella with the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, pink, orange again. Yellow again, more yellow, blue a guy. Great job, little artists! If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so we can keep drawing together. See you in the next video. Goodbye.